In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a withdrawal address on the Binance mobile app. With just a few easy steps, you'll be set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Binance mobile app is downloaded and up to date. Once you're set, open the app. Now, direct your attention to the bottom bar where you'll see the Assets option. Tap on that. Within the Assets page, you'll find different sections and you need to choose Spot, which is typically used for trading. Once inside the Spot page, you'll be greeted with multiple options. Look for and select the Send button. This essentially sets in motion the process of withdrawing your cryptocurrency. Now it's time to choose which coin you want to withdraw. You'll find a list of cryptocurrencies you hold on Binance. Pick the one you're looking to transfer. This is crucial because each coin has its unique protocols and procedures, so be sure to select the correct one. Once you've settled on the cryptocurrency to withdraw, you'll need to paste the withdrawal address in the designated address field. This is where your funds will be sent, so double check that it's correct. Making a mistake here can lead to permanent loss of funds. Always ensure you paste or carefully type in the full address, as some coins can have long strings of letters and numbers. After entering the correct address, selecting the appropriate network is crucial. This is the stage where you choose the network your transaction will go through, such as BEP20 or ERC20. Picking the correct network is absolutely essential, as using the wrong one will likely result in a failed transaction and the potential loss of your cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrencies, such as those on the BP2 network, require a memo or a tag. Make sure you enter this information if it's required. Skipping this step could mean that your funds do not get credited to the recipient. When adding a new withdrawal address, Binance often requires verification via a process called whitelisting. Follow the prompts within the app to manage addresses, which can be found in the security settings under Address Management. This extra step ensures your address is secured and only allowed wallets can receive funds. You will likely need to confirm this by authenticating through 2FA and also confirming via email. Binance takes security very seriously, and these steps help keep your account safe. Finally, be aware that when adding a new withdrawal address, Binance may impose a waiting period, typically about 24 hours, before you can use this address for transactions. This is an additional security measure to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have successfully added a withdrawal address on your Binance app. Hope this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching.